In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star folders in Google Drive for quick access. If you work with lots of files, keeping key folders one tap or click away can save time and cut down on searching. Google Drive's starred feature does exactly that by marking important folders so they're easy to find whenever you need them. Start by opening Google Drive. You can do this in any modern web browser on your computer or in the Google Drive mobile app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you see the right files and folders. Next, navigate to the folder you want to prioritize. On the web, use the left-hand folder list or the search bar at the top to jump straight to it. In the mobile app, browse through your folders or use the search field at the top of the screen. Choose a folder you access frequently, like an active project, reports you update often, or shared materials you reference every day. Starring won't move the folder or change who can see it. It simply tags it for faster access in your own drive. Once you've found the folder, open the options for it. On the web, right-click the folder to bring up the context menu. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu next to the folder name. This opens a list of actions you can take on that folder. From that menu, select Add to Starred. You may see it labeled as Star or Add to Starred depending on your device. After you choose it, the folder is now marked as important. On desktop, you might notice a small star icon next to the folder name, and on mobile, you'll see a confirmation in the menu. To see all your starred items together, go to the Starred section in Google Drive. On the web, you'll find Starred in the left sidebar near the top of the navigation. In the mobile app, tap the Starred tab at the bottom, or open the main menu and choose Starred. Here, every folder you've starred appears in one clean view, so you don't have to dig through multiple directories. From now on, access these folders quickly, either from the Starred section or directly from the top of your Drive navigation. This is especially helpful when you're juggling deadlines or switching between devices. Keep your starred list focused on what you truly use every day, and you'll always have your most important work front and center.